Milano is famous to be the capital of fashion, but also the home of some amazing comfort food from Italy.
Hence why today we're gonna cook a beautiful risotto alla Milanese with slow cooked beef cheeks. Let's start by roughly chopped our vegetables. So now just rub your beef with some olive oil and sprinkle with some salt. Medium-high heat, and you're gonna caramelize it on both sides. Now leave your meat to rest.
And now go in with your soffritto. And a glug of olive oil. Give it a good stir and cook it for about 10 minutes. To make it even richer, we're gonna add a little bit of tomato paste.
Now we go back with the chicks in.
And then go in with the wine.
So now we go in with aromatic flavor coming from the thyme, bay leaf, and juniper berries. So now cover it with water and slowly cook it for 5 to 6 hours. Look at that. Look how soft it is.
And now we're gonna show you how to make risotto alla Milanese, saffron risotto. Chop the onions so fine that later on with the rice, you're not gonna be able to see it. Go in with extra virgin olive oil. The onions, give it a good stir and cook it until transparent. Add a pinch of salt. Keep the temperature on a medium-high heat and toast the rice for a few minutes.
We're gonna go in with the white wine now.
Add the stock ladle by ladle and make sure the stock is always covering all of the rice.
And just a little tip, add your saffron towards the end, otherwise it will become too bitter. As you can see, the saffron has given the signature yellow color to the rice.
And now that the rice is fully cooked, go in with cold butter and cheese.
This part is called mantecatura.
Taste it for seasoning, then rest it for a few minutes before serving it.
This is a classic on the Italian cuisine and a definition of true comfort food.